Patch us up in no time.
More dragons!
No, it's wingers. We decided they're called wingers.
When?
Just back there. Anyway, it's law now. Official canon. Can't change it.
Kill them! I can see the ocean. We are almost free. The ship is almost done for. Grab trash, quick!
Hang on.
That'll get us by for a short time. We still need some more. Nice! That was close. Fix it up, boys. Good job. Keep it coming. We've got plenty of leaks. The flagship is damaged. Grab some trash. Fix those leaks, boys! There are the Physco sensors. Hopefully we'll pass undetected and float away with the rest of the trash.
No life forms on board. 100% waste.
Okay. I take back everything bad I said about Brill Creek. This trash disguise is actually pretty genius.
Total garbage. Nothing but trash. Complete rubbish. Unwanted junk.
We get it! Jesus. Adios, Physco. Go suck yourself, Sunset City. Hello, vacation. Sam?
Help! Visco is getting rid of the evidence!
What evidence?
Us! We're the evidence!
We have to go.
You're damn right we have to go. We're going right out to sea.
We have to go back.
Are you crazy?
My friends need me.
That'll be fine. We just went through hell to get out of there. Why would you want to go back?
Before this whole thing started, I just floated through life, never taking anything seriously. Then Horror Night happened, and I know this is gonna sound crazy, but my life didn't start until the world came to an end. That's why we're going back.
What if I say no? Aye, aye, Captain! Hold fast! We're coming about! Okay, landlubber. If you want to save your friends, you should go to True Bushido's base. Now! Go! Go now!
Hurry! We're in trouble! Where are you? We need help at the museum! You're just in time. We need to keep them out of the museum.
Just remind them that you're in a museum. Nobody will want to go inside.
out there? Hope it helps. Blade bots landing up the street! Clear out those blade bots! Rifle bots coming from the south! The rifle bots are getting too close! Kill them!
That's fine.
Bomb bots! On the roof across the street! The bomb bots are gonna destroy everything! Take them out! Holy moly! So, I guess we give up now, right?
Relax, Sam. Something else.
Holy crap! Did you see that thing blow? That was amazing!
Don't you mean we were amazing? We just killed the big robot!
Yeah, we were amazing! I'm going to see if I can find anything interesting in the wreckage. Hey, I just got done decoding that data drive we got off that big Vizco mech, and it doesn't look good. there's lots of talk of an imminent threat that's going to destroy Sunset City entirely.
How mysterious. Can we stop it?
That's the thing. The data is so encrypted, I haven't been able to figure out what it is. All I know is that it's being stored somewhere inside Fizco HQ.
Then it looks like it's time for some B&E.
That's gonna be difficult, even for you. The security at Fizco HQ is super tight, but I was watching some nearby camera feeds, and I noticed someone's been getting in there at night.
Who?
I can't really tell, but they look like cheerleaders with, like, Dave the Dead makeup.
Oh, them.
I tracked them back to Sunset City Hospital. Try knocking?
Hey, I'm gonna ask you to do something weird, but don't freak out, okay?
I'm intrigued.
I need you to go and see my future self. He set up a new base downtown. I need to know if it turned out as cool as it is in my mind right now.
A majestic pack of OD.
Ahoy! Name's Red. Boat's name is Charlene. I admit I was drunk as a boiled owl when I ran her aground, but who wasn't that night all the baddies took over, am I right? Anyway, help an old sort, won't you? Those winged baddies been dive-bombing my boat day and night. I'm almost done rigging up some defenses. Just hold them off for a little while longer. orders for these wankers. You like? Genuine anti-aircraft cannonry. Or at least the trash can equivalent. Well, let's go kill some baddies. Point out a target and I'll send it to hell.
Fire starboard!
Here they come. Give me a sec to reload. Let the slaughter begin. Fire every...
Off the port side!
Cannon
Out!
ready.
You're right! One fire!
Loaded.
Fire off the gun!
Cannon ho.
Just shoot!
Fire.
Over there!
Ready.
Fire that one!
Loaded. Cannon ho. You like? Genuine anti-aircraft cannon. Or at least the trash can equivalent. Well, let's go kill some... Point out a target and I'll send it to hell. Here they come. Give me a sec to reload. Let the slaughter begin. Loaded.
Off the port side!
Ready.
Out! Shoot out!
Cannon,
You're right! Fire! Fire off the gun! Shoot!
ready.
Over there!
Fire.
Fire that one!
That showed him. Thanks for spotting for me. You're a real deckhand, you know? I think I'll make Charlene here a safe haven for travelers. Defensible against land, sea, and air.
Hey, I'm gonna ask you to do something weird, but don't freak out, okay?
I'm intrigued.
I need you to go and see my future self. He set up a new base downtown. I need to know if it turned out as cool as it is in my mind right now.
Sir Chandler is pleased you have returned.
Hardcore? Hardcore! Hardcore?
What's that? You want me to hit things with a sword? Okay, I can do that.
Hardcore. 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 Hardcore? Hardcore!
Hawk? Yes, as you wish, Sir Hardcore. Fire catapults!
What the hell? Are you trying to kill me?
Hardcore!
Oh, you want me to shoot stuff out of the sky. I get it.
Hardcore! 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 Hardcore.
Hardcore.
Hardcore. Hardcore.
Oh, this is pointless, Hardcore. We're not even hurting each other.
Hardcore.
Seeing thee brightens the day of this maid of
One of your
Fargaria.
guns is dry, and I know because I am Two-Hat Jack. A full magazine makes the world a brighter place.
When there are too many enemies to handle, use this weapon to taunt them and redirect their attacks, giving you a chance to regroup. Feeling crowded? Use this powerful sawed-off shotgun in close quarters to give yourself a little more personal space.
That gun was destined for the...
This beam weapon shoots out a beam of electricity, which can chain to multiple enemies as the beam spreads! Celebrate the apocalypse!
I trust you will put her to good use.
Sir Chandler is pleased you have returned.
Hail, adventurer! An oppressive golem of sorcery runs rampant. I have penned a campaign in which thee, a brave paladin, taketh on this fearsome foe.
Look, Ignatius, if you need me to destroy a Physco bot, just tell me where it is.
Indeed, all will reveal it when thee hath gained the proper XP. Henceforth thou art a warrior of level 1. Firstly, go thee to the shores and save the small babe Toby from the vile mitts of the goblin snatchers.
Oh, my favorite cousin.
Hey, are you Toby?
Did Ignatius send you? Look, I just wanted some me time, okay?
I'm supposed to protect you from goblins.
There's no goblins here. Oh shit, goblins! Wow, you saved me. Ugh, guess that means I have to go back to Fargarthia. I never get to work on my dance moves in private.
Excellent work, warrior. For that encounter, 700 XP! Level up! You know, at level 2, thou remindeth me of the babe.
Loving this campaign, Ignatius.
I knew you would! Now, the second task. There is one ring I very much desire. This elusive ring is only carried at a particular merchant nearest downtown. Thy ring is called Especious, and it should look stunning on mine hairy paws. Tally-ho!
One thing named Specious. Hey, Ignatius, do you know what the word plagiarism means?
Just find the damned ring!
And I'll give you a fortune. Prepare to be amazed.
perfect gold band. Surprisingly heavy.
Sorry, my kingliness. I don't see anything precious here. Hey, that OD is wearing the ring.
Don't let that goblin play with my ring! Oh! The goblin army hides him! Hurry! The green goblin heads to the water!
You have the ring. Now escape the horde!
Huzzah! The ring is mine! I mean ours. 2000 XP. Level up!
Sweet, I get to multi-class? This is a pretty deep system, Ignatius.
Written by yours truly. Now, part the third. What was it again? Oh, right! Thou must learn to control a wolf with thine dreams.
Today I learned Ignatius pays for premium cable. Well, there's only one thing I know around here that vaguely resembles a wolf.
Right-ho! Carry on, brave adventurer!
Fisco has the whole city wired. It's like a central nervous system. But where's the brain?
Hey, Margaret, can I take Poo-Poo for a walk? I need to prove something to a friend.
Sure, but watch out. There might be some Fisco bots snooping around the rail stop next door.
Perfect! Hey, Poo-Poo, let's show Ignatius our dreamy bond. You remember this old kitty launcher, don't you? Ignatius, I'm about to get my war gone.
A war and a magical war. Impressive. Defeat yonder warlocks and let XP reign upon ye both.
You got that, kitty. Who did? Who?
Let's go, guys.
Go get it! I hope you get robo rabies. Ready for another? You remember this old kitty launcher, don't you? Ignatius, I'm about to get my war gone.
A war and a magical war. Impressive. Defeat yonder warlocks and let XP reign upon ye both.
Let's go, guys.
An atomic dog bite coming right up. Boo-Boo, finish him.
pleases me that thou hast returned. The blades of Vargarthia are at your command. Welcome, adventurer! The final test of courage approacheth, and we have prepared thine army.
I get my own army now? Awesome!
Verily. Presenting Siegfried the Great! Don't worry, he upgrades.
This is great.
Thank you, kind sir. Now, with thine army of Siegfrieds, thou shalt liberate Vargarthia. Travel to yon battlefield. Thine Siegfried army awaits.
Try him right here.
A glorious day for battle. Soon thou shalt fight the goblin army across yonder bridges. But this is just a ruse to lure out the king of the warlocks. Save thine power for his arrival. If thee smites the king, the kingdom's riches shall be yours. But first, prepare thine troops. Captain!
Captain? Level 9. Ignatius, I'm honored.
I might have read mine own guide incorrectly. Let me see here. That's better. Now, prepare those troops. Place thine Siegfried wherever thou thinkst prudent.
Sorry.
Let the great battle begin! Goblins approach from yon western bridge!
Tried my best.
Siegfried is ready.
Come at me, bro. So fire right here.
What is this for? This might work. Look at my new helmet. Time for your buck.
Siegfried has reached his ultimate advantage. It's tremendous! Surely it will summon the warlock king. Bestowed upon you 100,000 XP! Okay, now let's see. That puts you at, Whoa. Thou art maxed out. I do not have further scenarios for such a high-level character.
That's okay. I'm gonna retire while I'm on top.
As thee wish. Take Siegfried as a token of Fargarthian thanks. Perchance someday he too will live up to his title.
You